Welcome to the show.
You want to go that way?
Yeah, because
Yeah, okay, we can go that way.
to the end of the road and then turn that way.
Today we're going for a little walk in the woods, and we have a little scavenger hunt. So we made this little sheet, windy, little sheet, all different kinds of leaves that are from Northern Ontario, from our area. And Alexi and Zoe and I and Stefan are gonna go look and see if we can find these leaves in the woods. So let's go.
That's our cedar over there.
It's a cedar over there. Okay, well let's look at what we have. We have a maple leaf,
Maple,
apple,
apple,
spruce,
leaf,
elm,
elm,
birch,
bird,
aspen,
aspen,
oak,
oak,
ash,
ash,
cedar,
cedar,
and tamarack.
and tamarack.
All right, so you said you saw one already?
Yeah, cedar behind that energy.
This you're talking about? Yeah, that's the spruce. Look, come and match them up here.
I can't touch.
See? Spruce.
Oh,
That's it right there.
Okay.
Yeah, good job. So we found that one. All right, let's see if we can find some other ones.
Yeah.
Or bouleau.
This one right
So
here.
the white birch.
This one right here, a bouleau.
That's the birch.
Which one is a match? Which one do you think?
This one.
Nope, not that one. Try again.
This one?
Yes, that's a birch leaf.
Okay.
And look, that word
Yeah.
says birch.
Yeah, I
B
know.
starts with a B. Remember we were practicing our letter B's today? B, b,
En
b.
français, c'est bouleau.
My fire!
One of the leaves, Alexi, is way up there. That tree is called a trembling aspen.
Look, Daddy found an aspen leaf for you.
So
Yeah.
Alexi, I went into the woods
Yeah.
and I found a baby of one of these big trees. I found a baby one over there in the corner, and I brought this leaf back.
Which one is it match with? Look here. Do a match.
Baby!
Yes, you're right. That is the aspen leaf.
Lots of trees, Alexi, have different versions of the same
They're
tree.
very close though. All right, let's go this way and see if we
Here.
can find another leaf.
A maple tree!
A maple tree, you're right. Can you reach any of the leaves?
Alexi, you know your maple trees?
Yeah.
Here. There we go.
That took me like a second to
Which
take
one
the-
matches?
Uh,
This is an oak. Which one is that's not it. But which one's the closest after that?
I don't.
It's got three, look for this.
Three
look for the
points.
three main points.
Does this have 3 points or
No.
more?
More.
Which leaf has around
3
three
points.
main
I
points?
can't.
What about this one? Look. See? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Good.
That's a maple leaf.
This one here, I think, is a silver maple, so that's why it's a little bit different. It has
This is
those
a
deeper
sugar
grapes.
maple. This is what we make maple syrup out of.
Oh, maple syrup.
Yeah, here. Wait.
You crumble it.
No, you suck it out of the stem.
You have to tap the tree, and then they take the sap out of the tree and boil it down. That's how they make maple syrup.
Yep.
So
Which one?
this one,
one.
yeah, this one right here.
Yeah.
Do you remember that, Alexi?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're looking for a tree that has groups of leaves like that all along the stem. Can we find that? C'est à gauche. It's on your left.
This one.
It's in here. It's here somewhere.
That one.
Yeah, you got it. Look at this.
Well, they are in a group, but this leaf has been biting.
It's been bitten.
It's been bitten.
Which one is it? Lexi, point.
This one.
Excellent.
There, here.
All right. So we still need to find an apple leaf, elm leaf, oak, cedar, and tamarack. Let's go see if we can find them.
I think this is a type of elm. I know this is a bush, more of a bush, but I'm pretty sure that's a type of elm. And people can correct me if I'm wrong. I don't know. Close enough?
Like Zoe found a leaf she wants to show us.
Oh,
Found a little
yes.
leaf on the ground. I think it's a weed.
It's a weed.
But she's very excited about it. You want to check it off?
Yeah.
Color right here. Right here. Oh yes, good job.
Alexi, did you see how it had the same kind of pattern and it had the pointy edges?
Cool. Let's go find some more. We have the green shirt really blends in with the environment there, Dad.
It's called camo. Alexi, viens ici. Come here, kiddo. So what are these, Alexi?
Cedar.
Where's
Those
the
are
cedar? Yes, good job. You want to color that, Zoe? Color right there.
Alexi, come here.
What?
Show everybody your favorites, one of your favorite smells. I don't know if you guys can smell that. Does YouTube have smell-o-vision yet?
I see another leaf that we're looking for. Look here, this little tree right here, Lexi.
What's up?
Look.
This one.
Yeah, an
I saw
oak leaf.
this straight away.
Straight away.
Straight
clean.
away. It's very distinctive, isn't it?
Excellent. So
Yeah.
all we're missing is the tamarack and the apple tree.
What is the apple tree? Show me.
Right there.
Over
Yeah,
there. Okay, let's go see. What do you see, Alexi?
An apple right there. One.
You see an apple?
Right
So
there.
come and look at the leaves here. The leaves.
Leave.
Look.
Look, can you match them up?
This one.
Yes, good job.
Okay, Alexi, this is the last one.
Last tree.
This tree's gonna turn golden very soon. Golden yellow. So this is a tamarack. Lexi, show me on your list the
Yeah.
tamarack.
Timber.
Tamarack, that's the last one. Did you find everything on your list?
Yes.
Yeah, right on. Was that fun?
Yes. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.
So if you've been watching our videos and you like what we're doing, please consider subscribing and click the bell to get notifications of our next videos. And make sure that you follow us on Facebook and Twitter and Instagram. And we'll see you
Next time.
next time. So this scavenger hunt is for the trees of Northern Ontario. If you like this activity and you want to try it out, there's a link in the description where you can download this PDF for free. So have fun and thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, please subscribe to our channel and click on the bell to get notifications when we upload our latest videos.
Give us a thumbs up and don't forget to leave us a comment. We'll see you next week for more activities, adventures, and lifelong learning.
Bye!